It's your boy Ciroc, you heard, the host that do the most. We go hard, make some fucking noise.
Yeah! We go hard! We go hard! We go hard!
We had the ambush. I got people up here with me.
Oh, I'm telling you.
Take life Rambo, you know what's up.
It ain't about us, it's about these two in front of me. To my left, introduce yourself.
Ratchet Rico, man. We go hard, we in here, you know what I'm saying? Iced out.
To my lights out.
I ain't really gonna do too much talking. Let's just get it.
Make some noise.
Yeah! Juju!
To my right.
Cat, bitch. CNC gang early.
Yeah!
Go, cat.
Cap won the coin toss. Hold it down.
I said, yeah, I know I'm nice, and I be tweaking with this rapping. Fuck this rap shit. I'm a real nigga. I got some real beefs up in my jacket. Ask about me back in prison. Every few weeks it was a stabbing. I done started some real fucking riots, so I'm used to beefing with the cat. Listen, you lucky I even took this battle, cause I don't fuck with niggas. Especially got no business rapping with a little dusty nigga. You like when you was in school, you was a little musty nigga. When I was in school, I ain't fuss with niggas. That's why my blade was rusty, nigga. I was like basketball tryouts. You try to come play over here, but I'm cutting niggas. Nah, it's like a slave master. Every time a nigga pulled some sneaky shit, it was up with niggas. But fuck it, nigga. Your life was probably laid out. Your parents prepared your goals. You ain't have to share no clothes. But these same niggas get up here and swear they cold. Yeah, you probably own a gun, but you ain't fled no poles. I got switches on my Glock. I push one button and I'm shutting shit down. It's airplane mode. But don't think I'm ducking no ones. But don't think I'm ducking no ones because I'm holding on my grip. Because I treat your face like a safe. I put combination on you and open up your shit. So you want to get punched in your mouth, watch what you say then. Don't throw no Frank stands. You take that risk, I black both your fucking knives and give your ass a new pair of Ray-Bans. When I heard I had you, there's nothing to stress over. Your family can't close the case, but they gonna close the casket. That's the best closure. Eat his food, then we dump it back like some leftovers. Buck 50 his face. After it open up, it's gonna bubble. Fresh soda. I'm a hustler. We went from busting down in the trenches to moving chickens. Every time we use Auntie Kitchen, we do the dishes. Make sure you always come correct if we doing business. Cause if you move suspicious, this pole gonna split your shit. I'm superstitious. When I was locked up, my man had the barber job. I was getting niggas lined up. No, he ain't do no fade cause I was getting guys cut. Some institutionalized prison fucked my mind up. I treat these fool niggas like the mess hall. After I go and grab my tray, I slide up. But before this nigga slide, he gotta ask a lot of questions. Me, I've been sliding on niggas since adolescence. I was heard they was beefing with me, I had them stressing. They know I'm wild aggressive. I keep that snub nose on full, back ingestion. Nah, I keep a 9 with a 30 stuck in her. Child molesting. Why y'all keep getting beginners? Well, this an audition? Well, y'all better call the mortician and tell him start digging. I get this nigga laced to feet front if I decide to start wigging. My shooters like socks on the floor. They gonna slide on social media beef. Once I push that button, we on live. I get this nigga shot like Rob with 4 9s. Nigga, it's wartime. I'm right there watching the shooters. Courtside. He was slipping in the store. He didn't see the floor signs. He was wrong, my nigga. He was slipping in the store. He didn't see the floor signs. He was wrong, my nigga. So I caught you at the wrong place, at the wrong time. I heard your whole family some fiends, they all fried. And your auntie gonna jump for that rock, all sides. Tell her come to my trap. I got a line wrapped around the corner, a store line. And tell her calling my trap phone is like calling on God. Cause I always answer when she call, but I'm always on time. Look, nigga, you gonna die, cause you walking down and running up. We ain't doing drive-bys no more. We don't play games with them sticks. When 2Ks came out, you ain't hear about live no more. What?
No, we start playing that.
Playing with that boy, man. They're like Ratchet. can't rap about anything else except the jails. I'm sorry, but locked up for counting shootouts and reckless sales. I done turned pussy niggas into shooters and didn't expect them to tell. And they went and sat with 12. So now I don't put the battery in the back of nothing except the scale.
Full facts.
Y'all might think he a gangster, but I see the dorking live. He get money in his hood, which I doubt. That mean we extorting live. But if you want beef, y'all can stick the fucking live. Cause we gonna die right there on the scene. And breaking news, they gonna be reporting live. So you better pay that monthly fee, or we pulling up each week. And we gonna fuck your fat ass bitch, cause I heard she one dick free. I'ma make it eat the team. Hold on. I'ma make it eat the team, and she gonna come eat me. Cause word on the street, I heard that bitch nasty than unsweet tea. You know I'm a petty nigga. Hold on. Cause I heard that bitch nasty than unsweet tea. And you know I'm a petty nigga. So I'ma make them hate the thought, showing her hands and her knees for the guard, like she makes a lot. But soon as she gave the drop, my shooter's gonna raise the block. Whip her handles with the arm suck out the window. Child safety lock. And I know you a funny nigga, but I ain't with the okey doke. You funny like Martin, I get cold with that Tommy, cause I ain't with the jokey jokes. Man, we moving loads of coke, got the shit your folks to smoke. Hope that they don't overdose, cause my worker had your auntie shaking like Ali. I call that shit the rope-a-dope. Man, you know I'm holding toast, but I got 3 felonies, so I gotta conceal weapons. I'm like alumni fraternity. I've been doing this shit a long time, but the nigga still stepping.
Keep
Why y'all keep giving me food, niggas? Why y'all keep giving me food, niggas? That's the real question, cause I knew this nigga was cooked a week ago. I was meal prepping.
Keep going.
Yeah, I'm real reckless. Man, it's up with everybody, cause I don't fuck with everybody. Like I'm holding all the spades. You try your hand with me, fuck around, I'm cutting everybody. But since we on the subject of cards, I ain't jacking them. My shooter's gonna hit him and run. This ain't an accident. Yeah, we like to fight, but tonight, we ain't grabbing him. I'ma just pull his hit stick, cause I ain't tackling him. Yeah, I like toting the poles. You see my African? Fuck around and let this shit go. It's like a laxative. If you feel it, since we on the subject of cards, I ain't jacking. Since we on the subject of cars, I ain't jacking them. My shooter's gonna hit him and run. This ain't an accident. Yeah, we like to fight, but tonight, we ain't grabbing him. I'ma just pull this hit stick, cause I ain't tackling. Yeah, I like toting them poles. You see my African. Fuck around and let this shit go. It's like a laxative. Ain't for Philly, but I aim this AR all in his abdomen. Then we throw his ass in the trunk. We human trafficking. Next thing you know, they text me like, where live at? I'm like, IDK. All I know is shot live in the car, high speed chase. But I'm on my I like that. You ready for They send me a text like, where live at? I'm like, IDK. All I know is shot live in the car, high speed chase. When I'm on my bullshit, hold on. When I'm on my bullshit, please y'all be safe. Cause I hit cap with all caps. Then shift and shit when I delete niggas, cause I need space. Come on.
Nice.
I was at Granny crib the other day. She was like, son, you getting too big for your britches. I'm like, how? These is $1,000 pants on. She said, you'll never be optimistic in your prime unless you transform. She said, remember I came to see you in jail? The street life you had to take a chance on? I'm like, yeah, mom. Said, remember all the stepping and sliding? Only landed us on the dance floor. I'm like, man. He said all that stepping and sliding only landed us on the dance floor. I'm like, man, Lord, because I ain't learned my lesson. My light-skinned ass still shooting. I'm like, clips with the camcorder. So what you stand for? Let's go, Lyle.
Yeah.
You was in jail all your life.
I respect.
Yo!
This gonna be the last time y'all see me on these cameras for a minute. Gangsta.
Wow.
Real rap. First we go hard battle with a year, and I'm a part of a Rico sentence. The shit crazy. First we go hard battle with a year, and I'm a part of a Rico sentence. The shit crazy. Twin nines, but only one fire. Then double law on the shirt. I make y'all rough riders. This collision was over shots like drunk drivers. I'm talking his head hit the dashboard. I heard that shit on the radio like Uncasa Troy. I'm talking his head hit the dashboard. I heard that shit on the radio, like Uncasa, Troy, like White Castles. He hit you with that one slot. A cat, you got it all upstairs, like a sun visor. Rewind. I mean, yo, Troy, like White Castles. He hit you with that one slot. A cat, he got it all upstairs, like a sun visor. Rewind. I'm advising, son, there ain't one hotter Ratchet. Gonna need mechanics. Fuck doctors. He drive by in that bum ass Hyundai Sonata Jimmy Neutron. Let's see if your car will duck llamas. Like Castles.
Stop! I was not watching Nickelodeon. Stop!
White Castles! White Castles! Yo! Holy damn! White Castles! I will get a case for all you burgers if you want drama. Cause I done seen niggas change in a box like a bus driver. I spin blocks for my amusement. It's a Rubik's clapping. Fuck a casket that put Ratchet in a toolkit blasting. Automatics, they like, Captain, what you doing? Y'all want a show, right?
Right.
So I'm shooting this Ratchet on some zoo shit. Oxygen, he gon' lose it. Feeling like Method Man in belly. Y'all wanna what you doing? Y'all want a show? Y'all want a show? Yeah. So I'm shooting this Ratchet on some zoo shit. Oxygen, he gon' lose it. I'm feeling like Method Man in belly. After I drop knowledge, Rico the one I'm shooting. Let me get yo. Let me get 20 or pop 2. Ain't this the gas station? Dr. Miami, I got some badass patients. Ready by
Keep going.
Yo! You crazy? Let me get 20 on pump 2. Ain't this the gas station? Dr. Miami, I got some badass patients. Grab you by your hoodie. And the last one up the block is a rotten egg. I'm a drag racer.
Right.
Go, Cat. Go, Cat. Then what?
I'm a drag racer. He hit mad pavement till he brain dead. The gang said he in the hospital making jazz faces. Cat back.
Go.
Cat back. So let's make it quick. This is suicide. Cause y'all put this blade at risk. It's me against the world. So many tears tried, but they make the list. So how do you want it? The Hail Mary or dead trash? So some Brenda got a baby shit. If I get around, if I get the round, when this battle is all about you, but he gonna make me flip. I ain't mad at you, but picture me rolling up. Not to make no changes clip. After I hit him up, life goes on, bro. Bend your shit, keep your head up. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. That's just the way it is. Yo, bro, keep your head up. Cause that's the way it is. Got me feeling like Gwitty in a spot. The greatest hits. Every time. They ain't tell you what I do to lames. I'll coach you. Try not to die, cause most do. Depending on my vibe, how I prefer the battle, I don't lose. Nigga, if this battle even remotely close, think Roku. I lose it, the smallest shit, I had me flipping this whole room. That was crazy, fam! Yo, bro. Depending on my vibe, right? Right. What else? I don't prep for the battle. I don't lose, nigga. If this battle even remotely close, then Roku. I lose it. The smallest shit, I had me flipping this whole room. Yo, they ain't making human. Yo, they ain't making human yet. That my bullets won't touch. I'll beat him with the handle with a deuce. That nigga Kyrie so clutch. I'll wait till you get in. Yo. I'm gonna make the left, right? All summer, swag. All summer. Yo.
I know this nigga.
It's long day.
Let's go. They ain't tell you what I do to lanes. I'll coach you. Try not to die, cause mostly, depending on my vibe, how I prep for this battle, I don't lose. This battle even remotely close, need Roku. I lose it, the smallest shit that had me flipping this whole room. They ain't making human yet, and my bullets won't touch. I'll beat him with the handle with a deuce. Nigga Kyrie so clutch. I'll wait till you all in. Y'all feeling all tough. Tell my shooter post up. Soon as Rico roll up, I kinda want you to live. His reaction, so what? Your deaf music to my ears. I tell him blast it, go dumb. He said it's like listening to FMG. Then we seen Ratchet fold up. Any issues with Cat? Get a gun in your face. Tissue stoned in the crowd like Donald Trump in a place. I want to drink sideways. There's nothing to say. Ratchet Rico. Nigga, Rico being ratchet is gay. What these young niggas be saying? Y'all all shot. Use one arm for the snooze like an alarm clock. LaVar Ball, I raise shooters, and I'ma make sure they all pop. The clip go from maximum to infinity like a car lot. Nigga got me in the dark.
Nigga got me in the dark like a car lot.
Nigga got me in the dark. I said, you in the jewelers be? You didn't start up? Nigga, I'll get rid of y'all jewelry like a pawn shop. You got me fucked up. My name Live, nigga. At first, it was, my name Live, nigga. At first, it was Rico Reckless. I met this shy nigga. Everything cool. Good vibes with him. I pulled up like, I heard about you. Ratchet, Rico, but mine's bigger. Now change the pace. This fat nigga throw a jab, I'm a duck, hit his gut. He came with mad gas, up a pup. And I think you mad trash, should've dumped. He got hit by the M14. We literally caught him lacking by the bus. Matter of fact,
What's wrong with you?
yo, I go 0 to 730. Real quick. That's called mellow and curry. We're not drill shit. I'ma get these little niggas in line. This is a field trip. I started off spinning in the park like Will Smith, baby 9.
What? What's wrong with you?
I go 0 to 730 real quick. That's called mellow and curry when I drill shit. I'ma get these little niggas in line. This is a field trip. I started off spinning in the park like Will Smith, baby 9. Baby 9. I raised this shit without a village. Kanika Jenkins. For weeks, we was watching Ratchet chilling. They paid it Yo, I'm gonna get these little niggas in line. It's a field trip. I started off spinning in the park like Will Smith, baby 9. Baby 9. I raised this shit without a village. Kanika Jenkins. For weeks we was watching Ratchet chilling. Then paid in full. Rico gonna get a bag from niggas. Bob the Builder. Yo, Bob the Builder. My Ratchet talk too. I be up in it. But my ratchet, shit sound like I'm stuttering. Real shit, bro. Real shit. She sound like a hoe. She doesn't miss. She out here bagging niggas for the fuck of it. You want to die, fuck the wordplay. He'll run into some shit that make him turn face. The mill duck like I switch this shit with wordplay. Yo, Troy. He the diamond in your rough? That's the word game? We'll be sliding till that diamond in the dirt like first base. Oh my God. Good night, first base. Go. I said yo. 3 minutes. I set the ball with a gun. And I hold a grip firm. He don't even work here for real. He an intern. A lot of niggas died in that spot. Will this bitch learn? I guess it's his turn. I raised a tray better than Lawrence Fishburne. You sold drugs? Meet the nigga who ain't just that spot.
Yo, y'all niggas in the back, shut up.
Yo, you sold drugs? Meet the nigga who hit your trap spot. Whatever you had there, you have not, nigga. He gangbanged and sold water out the trap spot, then ended up in a drought. We caught his last drop. Captain. Fucking you talking about?